Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to master the art of making pancakes. Whether it's a lazy Sunday morning or you're just craving something sweet, perfecting your pancake game can definitely make your day a whole lot better. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Grab some all-purpose flour, baking powder, a bit of sugar, a pinch of salt, milk, an egg, and some butter. That's it. Simple, right? Now if you're feeling adventurous, you can always add vanilla extract or even some blueberries or chocolate chips into the mix. Now, on to the mixing. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. That's your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, mix the wet ingredients, the egg, milk, and melted butter. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your butter is cooled down a bit after melting it. We don't want scrambled eggs in our pancake batter. Alright, it's time to combine the two. Pour the wet mix into the dry ingredients and stir them together. Here's the key, don't overmix. A few lumps are totally okay and actually make for fluffier pancakes. Overmixing can make them tough, and nobody likes a tough pancake. Now, heat up your non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Brush on a little butter or oil. Then, for each pancake, pour about a quarter cup of batter onto the skillet. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface and for the edges to look set. That's your cue to flip. Give it another minute or so on the other side until it's golden and gorgeous. And then, it's time to stack them up. When serving, don't hold back. Drizzle on some maple syrup, maybe add a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of your favorite ice cream if you're feeling decadent. And there you have it, delicious, fluffy pancakes ready to be devoured. Remember, making pancakes is not just about feeding the stomach, it's about feeding the soul. It's a time to experiment, enjoy, and maybe even make a little mess. So there you have it, folks. Whip up a batch of these bad boys next time you're in the kitchen. And trust me, you'll make everyone happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips and recipes. Catch you next time.